Hello guys, today we're going to learn how to use clone stamp tool in Photoshop. If you have an image like this and you want to convert it like this, what you have to do is, you have to simply go to the clone stamp tool right here or press S key on your keyboard. Now if you use the clone stamp tool in its default setting, this is the kind of result that you will get. Press the Alt key on the keyboard, bring your cursor here, click to get a sample, leave the Alt key and now paint it on the other side. Now this is not the result that you want. So in order to achieve this result, what you have to do is, again go to this clone stamp tool, go to Windows, clone source, and right here we have this option of flip horizontal. Select it. Now again bring your mouse here. Press the Alt key on the keyboard, click to get a sample and now paint it on the other side. And it's done. Thank you for watching.